Mm. 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 Mm.
Put the movie back in the room.
Oh.
Oh, about what should I like?
Oh.
You know, sophisticated or anything.
Oh.
Washing hers and whatever she's doing. I don't know what she's doing. Good. Mind your business, baby. Don't come over here! What's on this? Well, then I'll take this one. What? No, like, no, I'm not. I knew that. What does that have to do with you? What does that have to do with the question I asked you? I don't know what time. Well, I'm just asking you, what time do you feel comfortable wanting to get there? Because I know we feel the same way we do. We'll do that too, so that's always like, we'll head out probably a little bit earlier than you guys, and we gotta make some stops. I don't get that way when I read them. I never felt that every comments. It's not even like trivial ones like that. Like, it doesn't hurt my feelings, it aggravates me to know that something that I've just always known and I've always felt, especially in the past working in retail, humans are just disgusting. I'm sorry, but that's what I truly believe. Humans are the most disgusting thing that, I mean, I believe in them, or whatever, not to get into that, but like, that God ever made. Like, people try saying animals and this and that, and they attack each other. But look how they look out for each other too, and their family. Like, they do it for the purpose of like living. We kill just for like sport. Like, we're mean to each other. We backstab each other. We don't care to screw over our friends, not only friends but family, to steal off of them lives. Like, we're just the most disgusting thing God ever put on this planet. I don't care, and I truly believe that. Well, yeah, I'm not talking about for the whole race, like every person individually, but I'm saying like
Humans.
As humans in general are compared to like animals. Want to say, oh, animals are so mean, they're so vicious, and they do this. No, they're pretty. Like, if you leave them alone, they keep to themselves. They only kill and eat for the purpose of living.
Mm-hmm.
We kill things just for, oh, I want some clothing, and I want this nice fur meats and all that. Like, we kill just to. Ugh. I don't know. I mean, animals, they say that some animals are like intelligent just as human, or sometimes even superior. Like dolphins are like supposed to be like how intelligent. So that's I'm like, I don't know. She did. She done that. I seen her. When I walked by, she was like, no TV on. I'm like, I was about to call you like, you need to come on me because she's like officially lost it. She was just sitting there in the bedroom just. It's like a scene like out of a horror movie, like when they got possessed or something. Like,
Like, what do you do while I'm gone?
You wait for me.
Yeah.
Okay, but they're not even back.
I thought hard back.
from here.